Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Float to Asana for capacity planning, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Float to Asana for capacity planning, start by logging into your Float account. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations section found in the Settings menu. In the Integrations section, look for the Asana option and click on it. You will be prompted to authorize the connection between Float and Asana. Sign into your Asana account when prompted and grant the necessary permissions. After authorization, you will return to the Float interface. Next, select the Asana projects you want to sync with Float. Choose the specific team members whose tasks will be connected to Float. Set up your capacity planning preferences within Float. Review the integration settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. Once satisfied, save the settings to complete the integration. Now, to view your Asana tasks in Float, navigate to the main dashboard. You will see your Asana tasks populated within your Float schedule. Adjust any task details or capacity settings as needed. Monitor your team's workload and make any adjustments to ensure efficient capacity planning. Regularly update both Float and Asana to keep the integration seamless. This connection allows for better visibility into your team's capacity and workload. Utilize this integration to streamline your project management process effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.